Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we will be talking about the properties of a well-written text. So tune in. In constructing a well-written text, one should take consider the structure of the text. Hence, take consider the properties of a well-written text, such as the organization, mechanics, coherence, and cohesion. The goal of the mechanics of writing is to make the writing precise and grammatically correct. It is directed to make the writing systematic and being concerned about how to be correct in spelling, punctuation, italics, and so on. So the first is grammar. Grammar explains the forms and structure of words, called morphology, and how they are arranged in sentences, called syntax. In other words, grammar provides the rules of common use of both spoken and written language so we can more easily understand each other. Spelling. The availability of spell checkers and word processing programs greatly reduces the likelihood of spelling errors, except for homonyms. A homonym is a word that is pronounced the same as another, but is spelled differently and has a different meaning. Here are some examples of homonyms. Affect, effect. Affect means to have an influence on, while effect means a result. Capital. Capital. Capital means seat of government, and capital means a building. Lie and lie. Lie means recline and lie used in making soap. Principal and principal. Principal is the head of the school, and principle is a truth, law, rule, or standard. Punctuation. Punctuation helps convey the precise meaning of a sentence, and in fact can even change the meaning, as in this well-known example. A woman without her man is nothing. A woman without her man is nothing. Lastly, capitalization. Like punctuation, capitalization helps convey information. The first word of every sentence is capitalized, signaling that a new sentence has begun. Proper nouns, the name of a particular person, place, or thing, are capitalized to indicate uniqueness. However, it is not correct to use capitalization merely to make a word look or seem important. Another property of a well-written text is, is the organization. It is very important because an organized essay is clear, focused, logical, and effective. Organization makes it easier to understand the text. When all the parts of an essay are in some sort of order, it is both easier for the writer to put the essay together and for the reader to understand the main ideas presented in the essay. In contrast, without a clear organizational pattern, your readers could become confused and lose interest. The way you structure your essay helps your readers draw connections between the body and the text, and the structure also keeps you focused as you plan and write the essay. Another property is the cohesion. Cohesion and coherence is an important feature of academic writing. It can help ensure that your writing coheres or sticks together, which will make it easier for the reader to follow the main ideas in your essay or report. Cohesion and coherence are important aspects of the structure of academic writing as they have an influence on the readability and logical flow of the argument of a text. To achieve cohesion and coherence, paragraphs and sentences need to be clearly linked to each other to logically and linguistically form a whole. And lastly, by using cohesive devices, accordingly, comparison, addition, simplification, sequencing, result, contrast, qualifying, reformulation, highlighting, and transition. In conclusion, these are important because it provides information that help the reader's comprehension. It is the structure that conveys precise meaning from the writer to the audience. Eliminate grammatical errors from your writing, and reward your readers with clear communication. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.